Hello. Today in this episode, I will be demonstrating the WSERD OD. This is the Alpha Obstacle Detection Motor. To begin with, I'm going to have my assistant Nicole go ahead and apply power. You're going to see this motor jog, and at that time, you'll want to get the remote, pulse up and down, then stop one time, and look for a second jog, indicating it's paired. So Nicole, if you'll go ahead and plug in power. System jogged. Take the remote, pulse up and down, then stop. Motor jogged a second time. Now it's paired. Now I can verify this by pressing the down or the up button, and we get a reaction. The next thing I'll do, I'll go ahead and set my top limit. I'm gonna go ahead and stop it right there. Now to set the limit, you're gonna pulse up and down once, stop twice, then up once. You're going to look for the motor to jog. 1, 2, up. All right, our upper limit set. Now I'm going to move the screen all the way down. Stop it where I want. Then I'm going to repeat the process by pulsing up and down at the same time. Stop twice, but this time I'm going to terminate by pressing the down button and then looking for the motor to jog. And we're going to stop it right about there. Go ahead and set our limit. 1, 2, and down. Motor jogs. Now I'll go ahead and test the limits. Since I'm down here, I'm going to go ahead and run it back down. Perfect. I'll go ahead and test the upper limit. Now, the key feature of this motor is the obstacle detection. And by default, it is off. So once limits have been set, you'll need to turn that feature on by pulsing up and down once, stop 3 times, then up once. That'll turn on the feature. Okay, so it looks like our upper limit looks good. I'm going to have my assistant go ahead and place an object to demonstrate the obstacle detection. That is, of course, after I've turned it on. And I'll go ahead and do that now. Pulse up and down once, stop 3 times, then up. Motor jogs, the feature is on. Now, if I've done this correctly, the bottom bar is going to make an impact, go up, stop 1 foot, and it'll check it 2 more times. Let's see how she does. Okay. There's 1 check. It's going to check 2 more times. Excellent. Fantastic. Now, this motor actually has the ability to differentiate between a solid or a windy object. Very good. All right, now that concludes basic setup of the obstacle detection motor. I want to thank you, Nicole, for your assistance, and that concludes this episode.